So it is currently my last day of break from school, and I just looked at my activewear stuff today and I was like, you know what, today is the day that we reorganize. I asked some questions on my Instagram story, and I am clearly the only one who organizes my activewear in the ways that I do, and I just don't think that it works sometimes. So today we're going to be clearing out a bunch of stuff and kind of doing like an activewear collection video, if you will. I'm not going to be trying everything on because I don't have, like, you know, 2 weeks to try stuff on. And reorganizing and decluttering. I don't know if I already mentioned those. But this is my current situation. So I have these like 2 sets of drawers in my closet full of stuff that I basically never wear because I just never go into my closet for this. I also just have like a couple jackets hanging up that I should bring more. This is my pile of stuff that is like, you know, stuff that I'm either going to sell or donate in the future. And then this is all my main activewear stuff. And as you can see, some of it's organized, but most of it, like this, is kind of falling apart. I currently have it organized like by brand, and then I have matching sets together. Like this is all Buff Bunny stuff. This is Jed North. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of that. These are all like matching sets and everything from like individual brands, so none of this really has like too much organization to it. This is like colorful koala stuff and a few other things. Then these are Nepoagym, and then that is some stuff that was just sent to me recently. So I have trouble decluttering sometimes because I always feel like I need to like hold on to certain things because I do reviews. So it's like, oh, if I ever need to refer back to this one like piece of clothing, like I don't want to like get rid of it, even though like maybe I don't wear it that much. So sometimes I hoard things a little bit, you know, like I know that I do. So I think I have an idea of how I want to reorganize. So I think that today's the day that we're going to do it. I think one of these is going to be like sports bras, one is going to be tops, and one's going to be joggers. And then I need to figure out what in the heck I'm doing with this section. All right, so this bottom section is full of a bunch of like shorts and like other stuff that I see. I feel like I need to keep it. Okay, you know what? If I don't like it, I'm just getting rid of it. And when I'm getting rid of it, it's going up here. I know, very organized way. A bunch of old shorts from Nepoagym that I don't really wear anymore because they came out with better shorts. So why would I wear like the old ones that I don't like? I have this kind of like ugly set from Rider Wear that I just really don't like black and brown camo, and I don't know why I've been holding on to this, so. Okay, that drawer is officially literally all cleaned out because I don't wear any of that I had. Why did I hold on to it for so long? This next drawer is tops, and I have a lot of tops that I like, but most of the tops in here are like old and that I don't wear very often, so it's time to say goodbye to a lot of them. Okay, I have like 2 tops that are like actual Lululemon tops, so I'm definitely keeping those because those were expensive and they're still in good shape. Old dance team top, another old dance team top. And this crop top was always kind of fun. It's from Athleta from like a long time ago, so maybe I'll keep this one too. And this top is literally like stained because I've worn it so much, so that just needs to go in the trash. Another drawer down. This top drawer is mostly just a bunch of leggings, some things that I will definitely keep that I just think that I should have, like my OG Gymshark Flex leggings. We got some Balance leggings, some OG DU Evens, and just some other things that I definitely need to get rid of. I have this set from Alo Yoga that I never wear, but I'm gonna keep. I'm not a good example. And I have a bunch of like old Amazon Queenie Key stuff that I don't really wear either. Peach, what are you doing? Peach, what's up? You keep meowing at me. What's up? Is there a fly? What do you do? Oh, I think there's a fly. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, Peach. Pinto, are you helping her? Are you helping her? Then we have these super old pairs of Lululemons. I don't even know what style they are, but they're like really thick, but they're super pilled and they're just old, and I don't think I ever really liked them that much. So these are also going away. And then even though I don't wear these much, I'm keeping these Balance ones. Okay, these are officially all cleaned out and ready for some new stuff to go in them. But I also have these little drawers on the side that I also need to clean out. Okay, this was my like most worn bra in college because it was actually supportive. They have like little adjustable straps and a clasp back, and it's just very full support. It's from Champion, from Target. These were kind of the bomb. I just don't really wear this style all that much anymore, and my boobs are a little smaller than back then, so my second most worn bra in college, another Champion one. These ones were also great. They have molded cups, not removable, a little clasp, and this one's also good, but it's just like pilling and stuff now, and I should just throw it away. Okay, I think this pile is getting a little big and it's gonna fall down, so I'm getting a trash bag. Also, I'm either gonna sell this stuff or just donate it. Don't ask me when because I don't know, and I'm about to start school and be very busy, so I cannot give you an estimate. Okay, so I think we're gonna do the bottom drawer first, and I think we're just gonna do joggers for that because I know I have a lot of joggers and they're just kind of like spread out throughout my apartment in different rooms, on different shelves, and they just need to go in one place. So let's do that first. Okay, I know I have more joggers than this. I definitely have at least 2 more pairs of Buff Bunny Jasmine joggers, and I don't know where they are. So here's the drawer until I find everything else. We have 2 pairs of Buff Bunny striped joggers, some Jasmine joggers, the Wanderlust joggers, which are maybe my favorite, some colorful koalas, Nepoagym, and Jed North. So we have a lot of stuff, and this drawer is going away for now. Next drawer will be tops, I guess. That means I have to go find all my tops out of my other organization and put them in this. This is a lot more complicated than I thought. Is this the best way to organize tops? I don't know, but this is how I did it. So first of all, up here I have like my most worn tops, a couple Buff Bunnies, a couple Nepoagyms, and a Petula. Then I have my tanks, my short sleeves, and my long sleeves. And then I just rolled up all of the crop tops because it was just like really hard to fold them and it just wasn't working. So I have some room back here for a couple more crop tops, but at least I know that all the rolled ones are crop tops. I don't know if this is a good way, but this is how we're doing it. And next we're doing sports bras, and to be quite honest, this is stressing me out because who knows how to fold sports bras? They don't really fold well, and I just don't know what's gonna be the best way. So maybe we'll do some research first. So I just made this giant mess, and I think I'm gonna organize the top 2 sections into matching sets, and then I'm gonna go on to organize the leggings, and then we're gonna figure out what the heck to do with sports bras because honestly, thinking about sports bras right now just is stressing me out, so we're not gonna do it yet. Okay, so on the top here, I have matching sets. I don't know why I feel like I have more than this, but we got some Buff Bunny stuff, all my tier sets, I love these, then various brands, Gymshark, Tala, Jed North. Then we have like some Nux, some Alpha Elite, and just a little mix. So now I'm gonna figure out how to organize my actual leggings. Do you wanna help? Yeah. All right, so much progress was just made. I'm now done with all bottoms, so all leggings and shorts. Pinto! Pinto boy! Hey! Oh. All right, so here is the final organization of leggings. We have matching sets up here. We have brushed leggings, we have sleek performance leggings, seamless leggings, and patterns. And then I have 2 stacks of shorts. These are just like the shorts I wear a lot, and these are just shorts that I don't wear as much. And then I really wasn't able to do much with this, but this is kind of just like Nepoagym matching sets that I like to keep for reference, and I just like to have all the Nepoagym stuff together, so that is just gonna stay there. This we just ignore, and then I have to figure out what to do with this. Maybe some sports bras could go here. So these are all of the sports bras I need to organize now, and including those actually. And this is a big pile of stuff that I'm donating. So what I think I'm gonna do with sports bras is fold in the straps and then roll them. I feel like that's gonna be the easiest way to see things. I kind of liked that with the crop tops, so. Okay, I'm gonna maybe see if I can roll them and like stack them up. That might be a horrible idea, but sports bras are honestly just causing me stress, so we're just gonna get it done. Okay, we are now on attempt number 3 at organizing the sports bras, and I think I've finally decided just to fold them nicely into my drawer, which Peach has decided that she would sit in. Peach, do you have any advice for us here? Yeah? What? Are you trying to attack? Okay guys, these sports bras were actually a success. I organized them all into this big drawer. I do have a couple little extra ones. Maybe I will switch my joggers out and make room for another sports bra drawer, because just one sports bra drawer doesn't seem like enough. And I basically have all of my Buff Bunny sports bras here. Those are kind of my most worn ones just because they make really good medium to high impact bras that don't like look like a bra. Then I have some Acta ones here, some Yvette, some random brands, some Nepoagym. So we got a good range. I think I'm gonna empty out the joggers drawer, put it in one of these, and then we're gonna basically be done. All right, I am officially done, so I'm just gonna walk you guys through how I organized. So in terms of organizing the leggings and sets, organizing by color doesn't really make sense to me, because when I think of something in my mind, I don't think of the color, I think of like what it is, like the style, the brand. So that's just personally how it worked for me. I didn't organize it based on color, like alphabetical order, like anything crazy. And I also tend to just think of things by fabric and like what I want for the day. Like for leg day, I probably won't go for like my brushed leggings. I'll go for like my performance or a seamless legging. And patterns, I just felt like needed their own category. And within the categories, I have like my Alpha Elite leggings up here are together. All of my like Lele active leggings are here. My colorful koalas are all together. Most of the Buff Bunnies are together. So within the categories, they're kind of like separated by brand. And sports bras are also separated by brand too. There's really not much rhyme or reason to it, because the way I organize everything, I can see it all from the outside. It's not like I need to be like, oh, go to section J for like this sports bra. Like that would be like way too much, and I would never like put things back in that order. So they kind of need to be like a little bit random in order for me to like maintain the order of it. This is all going to be sold, donated when I am ready. Then we have sports bra drawer number 1. I tucked in the straps and then folded it in half once, and that seemed to work very well. Then we have sports bra drawer number 2, which will probably get more additions at some point. And then we have shirts, tanks, short sleeves, long sleeves, and crops, and then a couple of my most worn tanks up here. Then I have jackets in here and also in my bedroom. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was kind of interesting. I'm definitely relieved to finally have a little more organization in my life. Pinto had fun playing with everything while I was putting it away, huh? Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. That's where I ask my questions about how you guys organize stuff. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you next time. Bye!